By default, characters in AniFuzion stand horizontally on a flat floor. However, some backgrounds create a sense of depth, showing a distance between far and near, which adds a three-dimensional effect. To make characters fit seamlessly into such backgrounds, adjustments may be needed beyond simply placing the character in the scene. By editing the lower body, particularly the feet, we can ensure the character stands naturally within the background. In the editor, select the standing pose or action, then go to Edit Offset. Rotate the feet to adjust their orientation. We can also start from the leg to adjust its orientation. Once edited, press the play button to preview the action. This method also works for characters standing in a side view. If there are multiple actions and you want to maintain the updated feet pose, right-click on the action and select Align Bottom Body with Previous Action. This ensures the character retains the edited pose throughout the sequence.